guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm going to try the Cathy hair color treatment. So it is a new product that was released here in the Philippines and now I am excited to try it. Lalo na gusto kong mag-try ng hair color na may bright color. So hindi ko pa natatry mag hair color like ng violet, pink, green, blue. So yon, Cathy sent me these products and yan, ita-try ko na siya. And as you can see, na yung hair ko. So, humaba na siya and nagbitaw na yung block and also yung white hair. Yan. And mind you guys pala, so if you are curious, the hair color treatment lasts only for like about 7 days. So, it is safe to use if kunwari hindi ka sure kung anong gusto mong color. So, mawawala rin siya after 7 days. But at least we get to try and see kung ano yung itsura natin kapag may iba yung color ng hair natin. Right? So, yun. I will try it na. Okay? So guys, I'm back again. So, katapos ko lang i-shampoo yung hair ko. And yeah, kasi kailangan na-shampoo muna yung hair bago natin gagamitin itong hair color treatment. So, ito yung itsura niya guys. And this is just for 79 pesos each. Okay, so I'll be posting the link below kung saan pwede natin mabili itong mga treatment na to. So, may color na siya plus meron pang treatment. Okay? So, para siyang conditioner na may color. So, by the way guys, nagpa-poll pala ako or nagpa-vote ako. Poll or vote or nagtanong ako using my Instagram account kung anong hair color ang ito-try ko. At ang nanalo ay pink rose. Okay? Yan. So, my cousin here will help me sa pag hair color. Okay, so we have this. Yan. And ayaw niya magpakita sa camera. Kaya, ganyan. So, ito pala yung tsura niya, guys. Ano muna lang? Konti lang. Yung sa
Ibabaw muna, ito muna.
Oo, yung ano lang. Hawakan ko na lang kaya para ano rin naman.
Dito naglalataw.
Sa ano? Hindi ko makita eh.
Sa may kulay.
Nag-ano siya? Nag-reflect na agad. Yung nakita kong video, parang hindi siya nag-gloves. Sobrang pula ng kamay niya. So guys, while she's doing my hair, popromote ko na yung ibang social media accounts ko. So, you can follow. Biglang nagbakal bote, nakainis. So, diba? Okay. Wait lang.
Narinig ko.
Oo, narinig yun. So, yun. You can follow my other social media accounts. So, Rachelle Octubre on Instagram and Facebook page. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, just click the red button below and you might want to click also the notification bell so para may update kayo kung kailan na ako or kung nakapag-upload na ako ng bagong vlog. Okay. So guys, yung application pala nitong hair color treatment should be, I mean yung i-leave mo yung hair mo for like about 5 to 10 minutes. Pero, yung case kasi nito is kung matagal naman mag-apply. Okay lang siguro na lumagpas sa 10 minutes.
Sabi naman.
Tsaka ano siya, mabango siya. Parang kasya naman yung isang sachet sa buhok ko kasi short hair lang ako. I mean, hindi naman masyadong mahaba. This is ammonia-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. Ah? Kang Bicol. Engineer pa yun. Nakakaantok pala. 79 pesos.
Magkano?
79. This is made in Korea.
Buti yung ano mo, damit, parang medyo may crispy.
Yung napanood ko, nakakulay white siya na damit eh.
Ay?
Uy, oh, nag-color nga yung hair ko eh.
Saan?
Ayun oh. Ayun oh yan.
Yung glass.
It's done. Thank you. So, mag-wait na lang ako ng ilang minutes pa bago ko siya hugasan. Okay? So, guys, this is the after or the output nung pag-color ko using the hair color treatment from Cathy. So, guys, if you want to experiment sa hair nyo and you wanna try yung ibang color, this is very good product for you to try kasi mawawala rin siya after 7 days. Okay? So, at least you get to feel, you get to see kung ano yung itsura nyo using when you try other hair color. So, ngayon, this is the pink rose. Okay? So, ganyan pala ang itsura niya kapag in-apply na siya sa buhok ko. Okay? So, hindi lang siya nag-effect dun sa taas na part, pero madali siyang kumapit dun sa may existing hair color ko na. Okay? Yun. So far, so good. So, nagustuhan ko siya. Okay? I will be able to try naman yung ibang color next time, maybe the violet, because this is the most color that I'm excited about. But kasi tinry ko yung pink rose because yun yung napili ng mga nagsuggest sa akin sa Instagram. Okay, so yun. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and please do not forget to, of course, subscribe to my channel, Rachelle Octubre. And as I've mentioned earlier, I have other social media accounts in Facebook and Instagram, also Rachelle Octubre. Okay, I'll be putting the links below and also the details of these products, and you can check them out, guys, if you want. Okay, so see you again on my next vlog. Bye!